Hello students. Question says find the first three terms in the expansion of 2 minus x whole to the power 6 in the ascending powers of x. So we'll first write down the formulas that's required. So that's a minus x to the power n. So if that's the thing, so we write a to the power n and then put a minus sign. So nc1 a to the power n minus 1 into x to the power 1 plus nc2 a to the power n minus 2 into x square, and similarly it goes on till ncn a to the power n minus n into x to the power n. So we'll be using this expansion formula. So here the value of a is 2 and n is 6. So that means it becomes 2 to the power 6 minus 6c1 2 to the power 5 into x plus 6c2 into 2 to the power 4 into x square. So they have asked for first three terms. So this is the first three terms in the expansion. So that if we simplify it further, so we get 64 minus 192x plus 240x square. So that will be the valid answer for this question. Thank you, students.